Mingalava. Welcome to this episode of 5-Minute Myanmar Grammar. Today we're learning 2 mini phrases which you can use separately, but we're putting them together in all our examples today. The first one is when you or when someone does something, and the second is it's important to something. And you can see an example of these 2 mini phrases together in a sentence like when you go outside, it's important to wear a mask. So let's take a look at how to make mini phrase number 1 first. To say when you verb or verb phrase in Myanmar, we pop the verb at the front, followed by de aka. For example, if we want to say when you go, like to the supermarket, we just put the verb to go, dwa, at the front, and we have dwa de aka. And we can extend our phrase out a bit longer as long as the verb itself goes directly before the de aka. So if we'd like to put a verb phrase like to go outside, we can still do that, like you see here. Apien dwa de aka. Outside, go, de aka. When you go outside. Great! Mini phrase number 2. It's important to verb. It's important to something. And in this case, we again put the verb first, followed by po aye de. For example, let's say we want to say it's important to eat. What's the Myanmar verb to eat? Do you remember? Yes, that's right. Sa. So we put the verb at the front. Sa po aye de. It's important to eat. Can you say that? Sa po aye de. Excellent, that's it. And again, if we want to extend our verb to a verb phrase, we just make sure the main verb stays nestled up against the po. So if we want to say, it's important to wear a mask, we can absolutely do that. Actually, in Myanmar, the English word mask is commonly used, so let's go with that. To wear a mask is mask tate. So our full sentence would be, mask tapo aye de. Oh, and did you notice we dropped that affirmative sentence end marker, de? We don't need it, just the verb itself. Can we hear you say it? Mask tapo aye de. Yes, well done. So now we can form those 2 mini phrases. We can put our sentence together. When you go outside, it's important to wear a mask. Apien dwa de aka. Mask tapo aye de. Your turn, you give it a go. Woohoo! Great! So let's practice our mini phrase combo in 3 more sentences. Number 1. When you get home, it's important to wash your hands. You can tell this video was made in the COVID era, can't you? To get home is aim bien yaute, and to wash your hands is let sere. So why not pause the video and see if you can work out the whole sentence? Yay! Did you get it? Aim bien yaute ka let se po aye de. Great. Let's try another one. When you cross the road, it's important to be careful. To cross the road is langude. To be careful is gayu saite. Okay, so hit the pause button and give yourself a moment to figure it out. Here we go. Langude ka gayu sai po aye de. Well done. Last one. Let's keep the second part the same, but this time, can you work out everything by yourself? When you ride the bus, it's important to be careful. To ride the bus is bus ka sire, and to be careful is gayu saite. So hit pause and take your time. All right. Bus ka sire ka gayu sai po aye de. Congratulations if you figured it out. Wonderful. Finally, if you're a bit more advanced and you'd like a translation challenge, can you work out what these next 2 sentences mean? Number 1. Tiao yao ka se so an lo mi de ka turugo quen lo po aye de. Pause the video and see what you can do. Did you get something like, when somebody offends you, it's important to forgive them? If so, awesome. If not, don't worry, it was a tricky one. Okay, last one. What do you think this means? အရေးကြီးတယ်ဆုံးဖြတ်ချက်ချတဲ့အခါအကျိုးဆက်တွေကိုစဉ်းစားဖို့အရေးကြီးတယ် Remember, the pause button is your friend. Give it a go. Right, so something along the lines of when making an important decision, it's important to consider the consequences. Did you get it? Either way, top marks for effort and for spending 5 minutes to hone your Myanmar language skills today. Come back and review this video as many times as you need to feel comfortable with these 2 mini phrases, and hopefully you can get using them in real life as soon as possible. Thanks so much for joining me today. See you next time. Ta-ta!